Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another slime video. Sorry about the background noise, it's SpongeBob SquarePants. So, right here I have this bowl, and then I went to Target and I got blue glitter glue, and I got clear glue as well. So, I'm gonna put these two into this bowl and see what this makes. And yeah. Wait, I'm just gonna take this out. Wow. There we go. Just gonna stick it in. All the glue. And I got 2 bottles of clear glue. Whoa, it's so cool. Oh, there's a lot left. About like up to here. Like right there. Oh, this is better, guys. Here, I'm gonna turn SpongeBob the volume down. Now the background volume is better. And it's pretty much good. Whoa. How much slime I'm gonna have, guys. That's a lot. And then this is like my only glitter glue. So I'm just gonna pour in a little bit. This is my only glitter glue I have. I don't know if anyone tried this before. Let me know in the comments if you tried clear glue with glitter glue. It's gonna be extra gluey for sure. Okay, this is it because of all the clear glue. I have plenty left. I don't know if I'm putting the right cap on there, but that's fine. Okay, so I forgot my spoon. I'll be back. I'm back with a spoon, and yeah. Whoa, this is so cool. Wow. Well, it might turn out like teal. Whoa. Or not. It probably won't be teal, but wow, it's so pretty and sparkly. I'm gonna add a little bit more glitter glue. So we'll need more glitter glue. That's good. And I'm not gonna add any more because I need some other glitter glue for other things. And yeah. Whoa. It's so pretty. Whoa. Yeah, it's definitely blue. But look how pretty this is. Okay. And now I'm going to add my borax water. I'm going to put it into this glue bottle. And I'll be back. I have my borax water in here. And yeah. Shaking it up. I might keep some borax water and okay. I might keep my borax water in here if this is actually kind of perfect. Just gonna squirt some in and mix. I need a lot more. This is good, I think. I'm gonna have to get my hands messy. Yep, it's working. Turning 2 clumps together. This is a fail. I don't really care. I'm just not gonna upload this video, but it probably won't be a fail. Add more. It's kind of like a spray bottle. Oh yeah, yep, it's working. I enjoy making slime because it's so much fun to play with after. I'm gonna call this clear sparkly slime. Yep. I'm watching this commercial. It's over, okay. Probably gonna need more borax. If people are wondering how old I am, I'm 9 in this video right now. This video is gonna be published on Friday, July something. Friday, July something. I think it's like July 5th or 3rd. Wait, no, it's definitely, wait. I think it's like July 6th. 6th? Don't know. I'm just gonna get my finger dirty. I'm not messing with this until I get a plate for it. So just one finger. Okay, I'm gonna go get a plate. I'll be back. I have a container ready. I opened it. Be even more ready. Okay. Now time to touch the slime. Oh my lord. And I should have paused the video. I'll just pause it with my nose. Yep, it needs more borax. Whoa, it kind of looks like crystals, guys. It totally looks like crystals. I'll just like send this to one of my video apps and pause this video. So, yeah. Hopefully this will make a poking sound, or like poking, a good poking thing. I'm just gonna add some more Elmer's, just like Elmer's thing. Well, it's not really Elmer's anymore. Like it does, well, it's just Elmer's borax. I'm gonna call it Elmer's borax. That's the name. And this name, I don't know what this one is gonna be, but oh my gosh, look how crystally it is. Wow. I might call this crystal slime. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do that. Look how close it is. Wow. It's better now. Scooch that along. It's better now. It's way better now. It's just a little bit too sticky, but that's okay. I'm gonna stretch it. Wow. Oh my arms are so tired. Like it was 3:11 right now. Like it was 3:11 when I started to knead this. Oh, so sorry guys. And now like at the time, it's 3:30. You guys see that? 3:30. Oh my God. This is taking forever, and I paused like half of it. 3:11, now it's like 3:30. Literally. 3:30. I'm just gonna stick this in here. Oh God. It's sticking to my hands. In the car, like I went out today. Sorry about the terrible viewing right now, but my hands are as sticky as ever in the car today. Last time I checked the time in the car, it's 2:01. Time goes fast. Oh my God. I'll be back, guys. So here it is right now. Here it is right now. It makes a perfect poking sound. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it does. It's like the best poking sound you can ever hear. Well, maybe not the best, but it's really good. Here, flip it to the side. It's not focusing. Focus, please. There you go. Oops. This is like awesome. I absolutely love this slime. It's gonna be called Crystal Blue Slime. I figured out that name. So this is that. And so here's my borax water that I made. And yep, and I'm gonna clean this stuff up. And yeah, I'm not gonna film me cleaning all this stuff up because it's gonna take a little, like, I don't know, but it's gonna take time. And yeah, so thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let me know, do you guys like my slime that I just made? I do. I love it. Bye.